I just want to open the eyes of our people to understand this. Now, Fulani have entered in the R&D zone, and they are attacking it to gentle, the Yahoo. I laughed at you people. You people should keep on killing your youth, keep on killing your people. But I am promising you people can never get gentle. Ofologo ki dide jaga, jawala. Ogulofo ki dide jaga. Aga be malugwa so na magala lugwa sala Yoruba sina sani Yoruba akwali ha chom unu chom unu wetekwa m. Obukwa na magaba lugwa sala Yoruba na achum odo chichu na achum. Umunne malile unjuela achum. Asimun lile ejala weze mile kelore la fola. Kwa yala no bochi la no. Eja yogela aburu gentle isi ije. Ebola m chọrọ ịga aga m na-aga ya. Ma ndị na-akọtọ eri ọnụ ndị na-akọ nonsense are causes of things. Gentle want to travel to Enugu. Gentle. Do you know where I am already? I am even at Enugu right now as I'm talking to you.
Hello, dear friends. Welcome to Magnetic Chicks TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 29th of July 2025. Update. Biafran, more details are coming out based on the people that buy those 11 people in Obinetiti, Okigwe. You know, some few days ago, a group of persons disguised as Biafra Liberation Army, and they went to Obinetiti and they buy a lot of people. So after the buying, they came online to blame the Biafran Liberation Army, saying that they are the one that buy those people. And they are also looking for a way to create more chaos in Obinetiti. But more exposition has come out to vindicate the Biafra Liberation Army. There are people that are witness that saw what happened. They have they have exposed those who did the atrocity, those that buried our brothers, claiming that it was the Biafra Liberation Army that did that. So guys, listen to all these voice notes. You will testify that the Biafran Liberation Army did not commit anything. Rather, it was the politicians, those ones that are trying to benefit from the insecurity in Imo State. They are the ones behind this buying anyhow in Imo State. Gentle the Yahoo made also a call to one of the prominent Arondizog personnel, telling him that they should go and investigate, that he did not do anything like that, even with his guys or his boys, that they did not do anything like that. He mentioned name of people that did all those rubbish, trying to gain favor from the governor of Imo State.
Father, young man, your father and mother were murdered yesterday. They were killed yesterday. And when we don't know who killed them, they came on a motorbike. How the motorcycle were there? Ofonye, Buhana machine, didn't cause all your military uniform. Ofonye AK-47, wasn't cause all the pump action. I want to do the about the Babu and Nagi. So, all your marriage will be taken to school. He was from Nagnan. There about so that you were because Kedafa. Kedafa Mommy. Okay, Karafa Daddy. Okay, because me pay he confirm farm yeah. Oh, that did you okay. Don't worry, you don't want that, okay?
Video, whether a child, a youth, a mother, an adult living in Obinetiti, Omololo, and all the whole areas that is under Okigwe. Know the people that are coming after you, know the people that are burning your house. If you know what you can do to defend yourself, make sure you do it. I know that Arondizog are very strong when it comes to tradition. You people should be very vigilant. Do not allow those politicians that are from your communities to deceive you. Those politicians are blood-sucking demons. They don't want to see any progress. They are blood-sucking demons. They will come and promise you heaven and earth. At the back, they will stab you people and destroy people. Take this message and pass now to everyone in Arundis zone.
He called Okiso. So guys, Okiso is one of the Biafran Liberation Army before. In fact, he is top in command than Gentle the Yahoo. But because of his braveness, he's strong when he was with the Biafran Liberation Army. The same way Ikonso was brave and also intelligent. The governor of Imo State came for Ikonso and Ikonso rejected. That's why they plotted against Ikonso and by Ikonso. So they came also for Okiso. Okiso accepted the amnesty and Okiso now started working against Gentle, working against his brothers, Biafran Liberation Army. So they know each other very well. So according to Gentle the Yahoo, he said that Okiso boys was the one that did that thing because Okiso is trying to get more favor from the governor of Imo State. He's trying to gain the attention of the governor of Imo State so that the governor of Imo State will give him a more tank that he will be using personally for his own.
Nna m ọgbaga m nwute na ebe m nọ kịta enwechaghị m chance enweta m chance enweta ịghọta how I wish na m nọ nso nọ within Okigwe here now I would have done it by myself mana lee ihe ya mere m kịta make sure na ị were this voice take this voice to my people. Let Biafrans all over the world, all over the continent understand, hear this thing now and make the international community to get this in their memory. Understand that now. Hope Uzodinma, the governor of Imo State, old Imo State, he have sold people of Okigwe and he has sworn to destroy every youth in Okigwe and let my people, the people of Okigwe, make them to hear this and make sure that this information got to every youth. Anybody that is a youth in Okigwe should get prepared. Either you are prepared to face the battle or you are prepared to leave Okigwe. Because Hope Uzodimma, being the governor of Owerri, let me call it like that, the governor of old Imo State, have vowed to make sure that he demolished all the whole youth in Okigwe. And this agreement was made with all these Fulani Caliphate to the Hope. Understand this now. Let my people hear this. And this event is going to take a place any moment from now. It may start from today or tomorrow. And they plan this with the Tiger Base, militaries, and Air Force. So let the youth in Okigwe, because I love my people, and I don't want in a situation that this will affect anyone in Okigwe. Please and please, Hope is a homolist in the hands of Fulanis, and the Hope have vowed to sold his own people and have already sold his own people. So let my people hear this and hear me out. I am making these comments today for my people to understand it. I am making these comments today for the international communities to hear this. I am making this comment today for Donald Trump, His Excellency, to hear this. I am making this comment today to the notice of international communities to hear this, because I strongly believe that it must surely comes up. And I am making this comment so that let it not be as if that we did not get the information. I got the information from the rightful source. And I want the world to hear the plan of this wicked man called Hope Uzodimma, the governor of Imo State, the so-called governor that calls himself a leader of the Southeast Chairman. Please and please, Let the world put mouth in this matter. Netanyahu, your people is calling on you. Biafrans is calling on you. They have colonized with all these Islamic states to fight against Biafrans again. The same way they did during the Biafran war. Biafran genocide, not even Biafran war, Biafran genocide. They have planned it again. And the assignment goes like this. Hope have ordered the Tiger Base and the militaries and all the rest of the forces in Imo State. Not only in Imo State, because the plan comes from Federation of the Business Center called Nigeria. So, the plan was that any house they came to, they will scatter the house. After scattering the house, any young boy, any young man they see inside the house, they will bring the young men out and kill the young men. And they have already started killing our young men, our youth. The agenda is just to neutralize the Biafran youth. But I am assuring them, I am coming fully for them, and I must be out for them these days. I don't give any fucking care, any fucking blood and care to any fucking idiotic business center leader in this town. I am a Biafran, I am not a Nigerian, I can never be a Nigerian. Forever in this life, I have never gotten anything, documents, anything, passport, anything concerning Nigeria in my life. And I can never have it. I am a Biafra, and I am fighting for the freedom of my people. And I must stand firmly to protect the motherland, being the Biafra nation. DOS, you people should go on, carry on, keep on killing your peoples. Keep on killing the people. After killing your people, the Fulani jihadis, the Aswamp, the Boko Haram, all of them, all of these people will turn to a brother to you. You people should keep on killing your youth, keep on killing your people. But I am promising you people can never get gentle. Ofologu ki dide jaga, jawala. Ogulofo ki dide jaga. Aga be malugwa so na magala alugwa sala Yoruba shi na sani Yoruba akwali ha chụọ m unu chụọ m unu nwetakwa m. Ọ bụkwa na magaba alugwa sala Yoruba na na-achụ m ụdị ọchịchị na achụ m. Ụmụnne m alile unu jiwela achụ m. Asị m nile ya ejala weze mmiri le kele orela afọla nkwa yala n'ụbọchị la anọ. Eje ayo gala abụrụ jempa isi ije. Ebe ọla m chọrọ ịga aga m na-aga ya. Ma ndị na-akọtọ eri ọnụ, ndị na-akọ nonsense, akọ source of things. Gento want to travel to Enugu. Gento, do you know where I am already? I am even at Enugu right now as I'm talking to you. You bloody civil, you bugger, idiotic human beings. Keep on killing the innocent people. And I want to use this wonderful opportunity once again to highlight to my people of Izogo. My hand is not in the hands of those that slaughtered the innocent people. It is a Fulani, and it is a plan from this idiotic human being that have been saying all sorts of things, that calls himself Ebekuo. I don't know who you are, and I don't care to know you. The founder and the foundation of founder of DOS, whatsoever you call yourself, you bugger. Do you think that I have your time? I don't have your time. You are very, very stupid, and you must to be stupid. So let my people hear this clearly. These are the people funding all the insecurities in Arondi Zogo. And now they have planned. Let us remember what that has been happening in in Leru. They will come, they will use military to block the people that will come and fight for the people. They will now carry in more of their Fulanis, more of their herders, more of their invaders, so that they will go on and attack the people more and more. Then when they attack the people, the military will be there protecting the Fulani jihadis, the Fulani invaders. I just want to open the eyes of our people to understand this. Now Fulani have entered in the Arondi zone and they are attacking it to Gentle, the Yahoo. I laughed at you people. But please and please, His Excellency Donald Trump, the blood of innocent Biafrans that these people have been shedding every day by day is bleeding. And we are the men on ground. We are calling on international community. We are calling on you, His Excellency Donald Trump, for the rescue of Biafrans. because these people have planned a very hard and large evil against Biafrans. They have planned a very hard genocide against Biafra again. Netanyahu, Israel and Biafra, we are one. One blood. Ethiopians are the cousin brothers to Biafrans. We, all of us are one. And Israel must come together. Whether the enemies like it or not, Israel must come together. That is all I want to say. Onye chọrọ ịma ihe ya mara ihe, onye achọghị ịma ihe ya gaziere ya. Thank you, His Excellency Donald Trump. Thank you, His Excellency Netanyahu. I greet all of you, all the whole lovers of freedom, all the whole lovers of Biafrans, all over the area. I thank all of you. God bless all of you.
Guys, the insecurity in Imo State is getting out of hands. It's really getting out of hands, guys. What's the way out? What's the way out? Thank you, fans. Thank you, everyone, for watching this video. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Biafra all the way. Bye.